Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this super cute reindeer card. These cute reindeers are made using paper quilling strips, and also I will show you how to create the background. Isn't it looking super cute? And you can just open the card like this. So let's get started. So first I'm starting with making the body of the reindeer. For this I'm taking 7 strips of 3 mm brown color and I'm making one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. Like this. Now I'm taking my quilling mold and just shaping like a dome, and we need to flat this dome from one side and deeper from other side, so it should look like this. Just add glue inside this, spread it using brush and allow it to dry. Then here I have already prepared 2 more tight coils. This tight coil is made using 5 strips of 5 mm brown color, and this tight coil is made using 4 strips of off-white color 2 mm. Now I'm just shaping it as a semicircle, and for this brown tight coil I'm making as a tight teardrop, and now I'm just sticking the off-white circle with this. Here I'm making the face of reindeer. Then to create nose, I am taking half strip of red color 2 mm and making one oval shape. Just create a tight coil and pinch on both the sides to create oval. Add nose. Then to make ears, I am taking half strip of 3 mm brown color and making one bended leaf shape. So we need total 2 ears, and I am adding the ears on both the sides of face. Like this. Then I have here prepared 2 oval cutouts using white color paper for eyes. Just sticking it like this and creating the eyeball using black gel pen. Also making the smile. So cute face is ready. Now I will show you how to create hands and legs. So starting with the hand, and for this I am taking one strip of 3 mm brown color and making one bended teardrop shape. Then at the edge I am wrapping 5 mm white color strip. Like this, and then I'm taking half strip of red color 2 mm and making one teardrop shape for hands. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of red color 2 mm and making one more small teardrop. Joining both the teardrops with each other. Now just connect the palm with hands. And this is done. Now I'm starting with the leg. For this I'm taking one strip of brown color 3 mm. Just fold the strip in half, add little glue and stick like this. Again fold the strip in half, cut it, add glue and connect with each other. Then again fold strip in half, add glue between this. Again folding in half. Just divide it into equal parts and connect with each other using glue. So the leg is ready. Now I'm wrapping white color 5 mm strip in the bottom, just like we did for hands. Like this, add glue inside this and allow it to dry. Then to start with foot, I am taking one strip of red color 2 mm and making one bended teardrop shape. And then just connecting inside the legs. So legs are ready. And we need total 3 reindeers which are made using the same process. I haven't stuck any part with each other. I am just showing you how 3 reindeers we will be needed for our card. So prepared with this. Now I'm starting with the base. For this I'm taking 15 by 11 centimeter blue color cardstock and taking this polka dot stencil, and using the white textured paste I am making the snow effect in the background. If you don't have polka dot stencil, you can just draw some small circles all over the base using white gel pen or white poster color. Now remove the stencil slowly. And tada, the snow is ready. Allow it to dry completely for few minutes. Now I am just adhering it with the base, which is having 24 by 16 centimeter measurement. I am taking white cardstock as a base of card. Just stick it very well from all the sides and the card base is ready. Now I'm just drawing one Christmas tree using pencil and fussy cutting using scissor. Here I'm taking white color cardstock to create Christmas tree. In the same way, I have already prepared some more trees. Then I'm taking Salty Ocean Distress Oxide ink, and using my blending brush I'm just adding little bit of blue color on the edge of tree just to give little snowy effect. Also I have prepared some land using white cardstock, so I'm adding little blue color on the edge of the land as well. This is the snowy land, that's why I'm using white sheet here. You can also use watercolor instead of Distress Oxide ink to color the edge of the land and trees. Now I'm sticking the snowy land on left and right sides, and on top of this I will add trees. Like this. Then I'm taking my cute reindeers and I will start sticking these one by one like this. So first I'm just aligning it exactly in the center and then start sticking it. In the same way, add hands and legs on remaining reindeers. And this is done. Now I'm just adding cute small scarf. For this I am taking 5 mm blue color strip and adding it like a scarf. Just add little glue and stick it like this. In the same way I have added pink and yellow scarf. Now here I am taking one small strip of brown color 3 mm and just rolling it like this with the tool and making a spiral strip for the horns of reindeer. Now just cut some small parts using this spiraled strip and connect with the reindeer's face for the horns. Like this. Now here I have added the sentiment Merry Christmas on top, and also I have sprinkled some white color glitter powder on the snowy area, that is on the tree and on the land. It will give you very nice shiny sparkly look. You can just write any sentiment inside the card. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.